Making instant coffee, the perfect cup.
Hello and welcome to our Coffee Lover's Guide. Today, we are discussing a widely debated topic: how much ground coffee should be used to make instant coffee?
What is instant coffee?
To start with, let's clarify what instant coffee is. Instant coffee is a type of coffee made from brewed coffee beans that have been freeze-dried or spray-dried into granules. When you want to make a cup of coffee, you just add these granules to hot water, and it instantly dissolves. So, to answer the question at the onset, you do not need ground coffee to make instant coffee. This is a common misunderstanding. Ground coffee and instant coffee are two separate things.
How much instant coffee should you use?
Since we don't use ground coffee to make instant coffee, the real question becomes, how much instant coffee should you use to make your cup of coffee? Typically, a general guideline is to use 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee per 8 ounces cup of water. However, you can adjust this to taste. If you prefer a stronger cup of coffee, use more instant coffee granules. If you like it lighter, use less.
How do you make instant coffee?
Here is a simple step-by-step process to make your instant coffee. 1. Boil your water. Ideally, the water should be around 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, but if you don't have a thermometer, simply bring the water to a boil and then let it cool for a minute or two. 2. Add your instant coffee to the cup. Start with 1 teaspoon if you're unsure. 3. Pour the hot water over the coffee, stir well, and taste. 4. Add more instant coffee granules if you want a stronger taste, and enjoy your coffee. So there you have it. Remember, you do not need ground coffee to make instant coffee. They're two different things. But with the right amount of instant coffee, you can make a perfect cup tailored to your preference. Here's to many great cups of coffee ahead.